Assalamualaikum. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Ang problem natin for today ay mula sa Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. And ang problem natin ay isang past board problem na lumabas noong November 2022. Okay, let's start. For a given sandy soil, maximum void ratio is equal to 0.75. Minimum void ratio is 0.46. Specific gravity is 2.68 and the relative density is 78% and a water content of 9%. Okay, and ang mga hinahanap is determine the void ratio of the soil, determine the dry unit weight of the soil, and what is the moist unit weight of compaction in the field. Okay. Okay, isa itong situational problem and ito yung mga hinahanap. Okay, identify natin itong mga given na binigay. Ito ang ating maximum void ratio. Ito naman ang minimum void ratio and specific gravity. Ito naman ang relative density and moisture content. This is also known as water content. Okay? So before tayo mag-proceed sa ating solution, convert muna natin itong mga percent sa decimal. Yeah? Okay, start tayo dito sa part 1, which is itong void ratio. Okay. Ang formula na gagamitin natin sa void ratio ay yung formula ng relative density. Ito ang gagamitin natin kasi binigay naman yung maximum at saka minimum void ratio. Okay. Void ratio natin is 0.524. And ito ang ating final answer. Okay, proceed naman tayo sa part 2. Part 2 natin is dry unit weight. And ang formula na gagamitin natin ay yung formula ng dry unit weight. Okay. Ito ang dry unit weight formula and ito naman yung unit weight ng water. Constant ito, hindi ito binibigay sa problem pero kailangan ay alam na natin ito. Okay? Direct substitution na lang kasi meron na tayong void ratio and specific gravity. Okay, dry unit weight natin is 17.25 kilonewton per cubic meter. Ito na ang ating final answer. Okay, last, proceed tayo sa part 3, moist unit weight. Formula na gagamitin natin ay yung kanyang formula ng moist unit weight. Okay, so direct substitution pa rin. So, ilagay na natin ang kanyang mga data. Yan. 18.8 kilonewton per cubic meter ang ating moist unit weight. And ito ang ating final answer. Okay, problem solved mga tol, and see you again sa ating next problem. Inshallah. Assalamualaikum.